Hello everyone, today I will show you how to switch account ID in Clash of Clans. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you are on this account, right, and you want to switch to another account. What you can do is go to setting at the bottom right corner and then click on the a switch button. So here, since I only have one ID, let's say if you have multiple IDs, you can log into that ID and then it will automatically show all the IDs on this tab. So whenever you want to switch to something, it will automatically shown on here. Since I only have one ID, I cannot log into another ID. But if you have multiple one, it will be shown on here and you just have to switch around. And that is how you can switch ID in Clash of Clans.